For decades, Washington has been using hundreds of military bases to export ideology-driven wars, subvert governments, and instigate violence and crimes. In a special report in 2019, Smithsonian Magazine found that under the name of anti-terrorism, the United States engaged in military operations in 80 nations on 6 continents, more than 40% of the world's countries. In these military operations, overseas military bases were taken as the bridgeheads for the United States to exercise deterrence and direct military intervention.
The US's role in the Middle East has been one that is of a firefighter who has put the entire forest on fire. The US has caused instability, it has caused chaos, it has created most of the wars that it is asking to now end.
It doesn't matter whether Democratic Party is in Washington or Republican Party. They use human rights and human interventions as a pretext for military conquests and wars in different parts of the world.
For the ordinary people who live in the host countries, the U.S. military bases have long been the scourge of instability and crime. In Japan's Okinawa Prefecture, which hosts about 70% of U.S. military bases in the country, the U.S. presence has long been a nightmare for residents due to intolerable aircraft noise and criminal acts by military personnel. As Washington becomes increasingly unscrupulous in exporting war and creating scenes of misery and tragedy in other countries, politicians who fan the flames of conflict and embolden the military-industrial complex are the ultimate beneficiaries. Official data revealed that only 12% of U.S. reconstruction assistance given to Afghanistan between 2002 and 2021 went to the Afghan government. Much of the rest went to companies like the Lewis Berger Group, a U.S.-based company.